Another one, we have big A, because big A, little a are different in this case here. So we have big A equals 1/2 A plus B in parentheses, okay? So we are going to solve for B. It says right there, we're going to solve for B. So there's B there. So that means at the bottom of our work, we're going to want B on the right-hand side equals, and then what it equals on the left. Now, we could do the stereotypical thing and distribute the 1/2, and I'll show you that in a second, but there's a slicker way of doing this, okay? The inverse of 1/2 is 2. Okay, so notice the whole right-hand side of the equal sign is being multiplied by 1/2 or divided by 2. Because multiply by half and divide by 2, mathematically, same thing. Okay, so this whole right-hand side is being divided by 2. You can kind of see it here, right? A plus B divided by 2 is the same thing as 1/2 of A plus B. So this divide by 2 here, or the 1/2 there, we can undo that instead of distributing. Okay, so if that's the case, if that's what we want to do, then we're going to multiply 2 to both sides. So this is the way it'll look. I needed a little bit more room here. So we're going to take our original equation and we're going to multiply both sides by 2. So here we have 2 times big A, so that's 2A. And then 2 times 1/2, well, 1/2 of 2 is just 1. So you're actually left with 1 times A plus B. Well, anytime you multiply 1 times the number, you just get the number back. Okay, so check it out. We started out with this fraction up here, and after we multiplied by the reciprocal, or 2, we ended up with no more fractions. So makes it easier to work on. I'll show you what it looks like if you wanted to distribute. So now remember, we're solving for B. We don't want the plus A here, so we're going to subtract A to both sides, little a that is, right? So subtract little a to both sides. So now we have 2A, 2 big A minus A. 2 big A minus little a, and that's what B equals, because we have no more A's on the right-hand side. Okay, and that's done. Now, check it out. If you did want to distribute, like if that was your go-to thing, nothing wrong with that. This one, you do have to work with fractions more throughout the question if you choose to do that. Okay, so if we go through and distribute that 1/2, so 1/2 times A, 1/2 A, 1/2 times B, 1/2 B. Okay, now again, we're trying to get B by itself over here, so we're going to subtract the 1/2 little a to both sides. So there's big A minus 1/2 little a equals 1/2 B. So now we have B being multiplied by 1/2. Remember, we want B by itself. So do the opposite, or the inverse, and multiply by 2. So we'd have to multiply by 2 times A and 2 times 1/2 A. 2 times big A, and then 2 times 1/2 little a. So we end up with the exact same answer. This one, you had to deal with fractions a little bit more than if you just multiplied both sides by 2.